is called a pump down. So we're gonna put on the air conditioning unit, pump all the gas into the outside piece, lock off the valve, and then we're gonna remove the condenser from on to take it down to the back where we will be able to replace it. Go ahead and lock up this morning. So you're watching to see the gauge go down. When the gauge go down and reach.
Yeah, right.
Yes, no? Yeah, look out the big one. Look out the big one. Right, we just successfully pumped down the system. So we save whatever gas, little gas is in the system.